Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. She won't say hi again. Y'all, we have a Mint Mongoose box today. I'm guessing this is August's box because it's August. But y'all know how confused I get. So Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription. She sends you 3 items. It is a mama-run business, small business, by the way. She sends you 3 pieces of jewelry every month. She's got all these new bonuses and things. It's so exciting. I never know what's going to come in my box. She also has add-on subscriptions where you can get like t-shirts, rings, mystery earrings, all kinds of fun stuff. It's customizable. You can tell her what kind of metal you want, gold, silver mixture, which is what I do. You can tell her if you want earrings or not. I mean, it's very customizable. I really like it. You can get it for as low as $19.99 a month. If you want to pay month to month, it's $29.99. The prices have went up. If you want to pay every 6 months, it's $25.99. 12 months, $23.99. The $19.99 is a pay by term option. Let's see. The surprise bonus earrings are $3.99 a month. Or if you want to do a one-time purchase, it's $4.99 a month. Rings are $4.99. Yeah, same thing. The t-shirts, $11.99 a month for a one-time shirt, or $9.99 if you subscribe like I do. So if you want to try it, I do have a link below. It is an affiliate link. I do also have a referral link. The referral link will get you $5 off. The affiliate link doesn't get you anything, but it does credit me like a sales lady. I like to tell y'all because I want y'all to get savings. So you can use whichever link you choose to, but why wouldn't you get the $5 off for you, you know? I'm not going to take that link away from you when you can use it. Anyway, I know, I ramble. Here's my box. She wraps them up so nice, y'all. They wrap these things up like in our house. You know, it's just a little mama-run business. And she comes up with creative themes every month. She explains them to you. She used to be a journalist, so she writes you out a little something. She does send emails and things about, you know, fan mail, different stuff. This is Live Simply. This is cute. It's V-neck like I like. I do get it in a 3X though, because these shirts are a little on the small size, but very cute shirt. We got pictures of kiddos. How adorable. Alright, so on the back is what tells you about your jewelry and gives you a sneak peek of it. The pattern of the simple light, our inspiration behind the set. This month's set is inspired by the purpose of the simple life. Over the years, I find that I vacillate between being caught in life, chugging along, and stepping back, usually into nature and living. When I'm going through the motions of life, time passes quickly and moments can slip by unappreciated. When I take a moment to breathe and focus on the simple things in life, like the kiddos building a rock bridge across the creek on one of our recent adventures to explore the other side, a photo and reverse side of this postcard, moments stand out and time slows down. So that's our kids at the creek. How cute. The stone in the set is a tribute to my little one's love of those rocks and making that bridge that reminded me to keep life simple and slow. The variations in the chain from smooth, representing the time that slips through our fingertips as we go through the motions, to granular, representing the slow living where moments hold more weight. When you wear this set, I hope it reminds you to strive for a balance between the two. Slow down to treasure moments whenever possible. Life is short. Wishing you a healthy balance of doing and living life. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. And she does have a little scripture here at the bottom. This is Ecclesiastes $4.46. I'm gonna have to look that up later and see what it is. But right now we're gonna look at the jewelry. I love the little mongoose wax stamp she has on here. So I get these. I think I get them every month now. It's part of her bonus for being with her for so long. I love these. These are so cute for putting behind your neck for necklaces, or you could even do them on bracelets. And she sends me a Werther's. This is my favorite candy. I love it. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. Yay, it's here. And here are my jewelry. She started only giving 2 pieces now. I only got 2 in here. I'm gonna have to look at that and see, because if she went up in price and then only gives 2 pieces plus the little extra, I don't know. I'll look it up. Oh, it's cute. Look at this, y'all. You see the variations in the chain? Time slips by. They are all extendable and with the claw clip, and they have the Mint Mongoose down here because she does design all this stuff. Isn't that crafty creative? I could never do that. I love it. I love this set. All right, be careful because she does leave the little plastic things. They're just down in there, so when you dump them out, make sure you don't lose them. I love them. I love them. I love them. This is super cute. There we go. Look at how gorgeous they are. Oh my goodness. I gotta put them on. Look at that, y'all. That's cute. That's really cute. I do like that. Oh, my magnetic chain was stuck to it. Look at how cute. That's perfect. And it can go a little longer or a little shorter because I just kind of went in the middle where she had it. I really like that. What do y'all think? Did you like the shirt and the jewelry for this month? Do you think that the price has went too high? I'm curious to know y'all's opinion. So comment below. Please press all those YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Subscribing to my channel is free. And if you want to subscribe to Mint Mongoose, there's the links down below in the description. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.